Vikram and Ranveer come from a very similar school of thought, and I come from a completely opposite school of thought. So, kind of getting in sync with these two was a difficult task for me.
You never did, by the way.
There were times when I got the job done. There were times when Vikram and I would literally pull each other's hair out, trying to explain to each other that this is how you do it, and I say no, this is not how I do it. This is how I do it. So, but by the end of the day, it was all good, and the result is all out there for everybody to see. He always wanted me to stay in character and just not talk after the shot is over and just be in that whole space. And
I can explain this better. Huh?
And I'm the kind of no.
No, really.
You need to stop talking now. And I forgot now.
Oh, sorry.
And I'm the kind of person who switches on, who can act only when the camera switches on. So yeah, we had a tough time there.
So she basically is like Vikram and I, we sit on the material and we discuss ऐसे करते हैं, what is he feeling, this, that, 3 nights, and we're just going back and forth and all this prep and attachment to the material. So Rakshi will come on set and be like, hey, what are you shooting today? Oh, okay. And then what happens? And then what happens? Okay, come, ready. So, we used to have a big question mark. We used to scratch our head, okay, there's this actress and she does these mainstream blockbusters and now she's in this movie and it doesn't seem like she has any attachment to this material and what's gonna go on. But, when you see the movie, you will be nothing short of stunned and shocked at what Sonakshi Sinha has managed to pull off, the kind of range she's shown as in an actor's repertoire. And her most significant film and performance to date, if I may say so myself. She's done absolutely brilliantly. Sonakshi, you have done very well, beta. I'm proud of you.
Usually when a script comes to me, when somebody is narrating a script, I can always picture another actress doing that role as well. If not for me, who else could do that role? But in this situation, I could really not picture anybody else. And that's why I say that when he was narrating the script to me, every sentence that he read, every dialogue that he spoke about Paki, I could totally picture myself doing it. And you'll have to wait for the movie. I really cannot explain it. You'll have to watch it.
I've got a great lust for lack of a better word, or zeal for life.
Okay.
I feel like I need to live every moment. I feel like there's so much to do, and I just need to do everything and live every moment and do everything quickly, and it's just, I don't know, I think it's that, and I feel like I've got one life, I gotta do it, pack everything into it.
Right.
So yeah, it's just boom, 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 boom.
Actually a very quiet person, so I don't mind just sitting in one corner doing my own business, going about with my work. So it's fine, it's manageable. He can be the entertainer and I can be like a spectator.
Fantastic. And he's playing an archaeologist. So if you were to dig up in your past, what would we find?
In my past, you would find a very podgy little girl who's studied fashion. Very boring past I've had, so nothing very
No
exciting.
skeletons out of the closet we should know about?
None, unfortunately or fortunately.
Right place नहीं गर्मी में बुरा हाल